Hello, let me show you all health fitness that you can find on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So right here we can find the heart rate measurement, and we can get the continuous monitoring. We can get low and high heart rate alerts. We can also find the sleep data. We can basically track our sleep. We can get the heart rate and the REM sleep stage, and we can control the breathing, night breathing. We can also measure the blood oxygen. We can enable all-day tracking of the blood oxygen, and we can turn on the blood oxygen alerts. Next, we can measure stress level. We can also enable all-day monitoring, and we can get the relax reminders with breathing exercise. In this place, we can find standing reminder. So if you were sitting for around 1 hour, then the notification will pops up on your watch. We can also find some stats. So this is like all the fitness goals, like calories burned, steps, and the moving goal. And we can also find here the vitality score settings. Thanks for watching.